Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Amazon affiliate account, which is also called Amazon Associates account. Watch the video till the end because at the end I'm gonna tell you some important points that you should know to save your account from getting terminated. So let's get started. When you create Amazon affiliate account, you can generate affiliate link for any product listed on Amazon, and then you can promote the same on your website, blog or YouTube channel. When someone purchases the product through your link, not just the product that you promote but any product on Amazon within 24 hours, you will get a commission for referring the user to Amazon. First, open amazon.com website. You need to create a separate associate account for different regions like India and Japan. Here I am going to create an Amazon Associates account for United States region. If you already have Amazon account, then you may log in with the credentials, but I highly recommend you to create a new account for affiliation. Now hover over the sign in option and from here click on Start Here link. You will be redirected to the Create Account page. Here enter your name, email, password and click on Create Your Amazon Account button. If prompted a CAPTCHA or puzzle, then complete the step. You will receive an OTP on email address that you just entered in the previous step. You will receive such type of email with the OTP, which is one-time password. Now copy the OTP and paste it here. Now click on Create Your Amazon Account. Okay, now our Amazon account is ready. Now scroll all the way down and at the bottom of the page, you will find the link Become an Affiliate. Now this is the link that we are gonna use to register our affiliate or associates account. You will be redirected to the Amazon Associates page. Here click on Sign Up button. On the next page, you need to enter personal details. Just enter the details like payee name, address, city, state, country, zip code and mobile number. One thing to note here is that the payee name should exactly match with your bank account name so that there will not be any issue in the payment transfer from Amazon to your bank account. So that's very important. I will enter the details and speed up the process. Once you enter the details, click on Next button. On the next page, you need to enter your website, blog, YouTube channel or app details. As you can see from the instructions, you can enter your website link, verified Facebook fan page or Twitter account link. But make sure that the website that you are going to add should be fully developed and has all the necessary pages like about, disclaimer, terms of service, etc. I will enter two of my websites and the link of this YouTube channel. Once done, click on Next button. Here select the option that says whether your website targets the children under 13 years. I will select the option as No and click on Confirm button. On the next page, you need to add some additional information for the account and the websites that you have added. Enter Preferred Associate Store ID. You can enter any name that you like and Amazon will add certain suffix to that name. Now enter the details for the websites added. Just enter brief idea about your website. From drop down, select the option that best describes your website. Now select the product options that you wish to promote. Just select the products that are related to your website or YouTube channel. Now select the type of your website, whether it is comparison website, content or niche website, coupon website or some sort of search website. I will choose content or niche website, but you can select the one as per your website type. Select the traffic methods that you use to drive traffic to your website. Best option is to select SEO, blogs and social networks. Next, select the same options that I have selected. Now enter the CAPTCHA and check this box for operating agreement and click on Finish button. On the next page, you will get completion message and your unique associates ID. You can enter the payment and tax information immediately or later on. It's up to you. I will choose later option and you will be redirected to your Amazon Associates dashboard. Now you can generate your Amazon affiliate link and promote it on your website, social media account or YouTube channel. One very important thing to note here is that your account will be reviewed after you make a first sale using affiliate link. If you fail to generate 3 qualified sales in the first 180 days, then your account will be terminated and you may reapply for the same. So don't waste time and start promoting the affiliate links in the legit ways. So that was the tutorial on how to sign up for Amazon affiliate account. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.